So this is what is, if you see there is a issue coming over here. Is Google Maps is not imported, and you can see this is a very common error you will coming, like you have find like index.d.ts is not a module. So what you have to do is you have to define that module for in your src folder. So I created a file index.d.ts in src root. You can see like this is very common place where you have to declare one module Google Maps. Once you do that, you see error is gone now. So this